welcome to our vlog. I am Rishikesh from EC department here at Nerist. Today, my friends and I are going to talk about some easy ways we can all contribute to a cleaner, greener campus and environment.
Hi everyone, I am Farhan, friend like Rishikesh. We are covering important three topics: reducing plastic pollution, planting more trees, and minimizing the food waste. Each of us taking these topics, we hope we will inspire you to small changes will impact on you.
To kick things off, let us talk about plastic pollution. Plastic waste is a huge problem worldwide and it's one of the easiest things we can tackle at the individual level. One way to do this is by reusing plastic bottles instead of throwing them away. You can turn all plastic bottles into useful paint stains. It's simple. Just cut the top of the bottle, smooth the edges, and you've got a paint stain for your desk. It's an easy DIY project that not only reduces plastic waste but also gives you something functional. And not just pen stands, you can also make planters out of plastic bottles. Just cut the bottle in half, fill it with soil, and plant some seeds. This way, you can add some greenery to your space while recycling plastic.
Hey everyone, I am Ashan from EC. Another big issue we are facing on campus is the rising temperature. One way to cool things down is by planting more trees. Trees provide shades, clean the air, and make our surrounding more pleasant. Imagine a campus filled with trees where we can sit under the shade of hot days. It's something we can work toward.
Welcome to Campus a place where concrete dominates and trees are few. While the buildings may be modern, but there is something missing, like the nature. And that absence makes all the difference. When hits you directly without any shade, even walking to class becomes exhausting. As you can see, without trees, the campus becomes a heat trap. The lack of green covers means the buildings absorb and radiate heat, making the environment uncomfortable for students. When the landscape is bare, the concrete absorbs the sun's heat and reflects it back into the surroundings, making everything feel even hotter. I always try to find a place indoor as soon as possible. There is barely any shade to relax under, and it feels like the campus is always hot, even when it's not summer.
So as you can see, here are more number of trees as compared to the ones in the degree block. So the more number of trees means it makes our surrounding more cool and comfortable. In the degree block, there are fewer number of trees, which makes the campus so hot that we students aren't able to go without carrying umbrellas.
Hi, I am Ria. Another thing that can make our campus cooler and less polluted is by using public transport, walking or cycling. Did you know that Nerist does not provide enough bus facilities on campus? That means more people are using their private vehicles, which increases heat and pollution. Instead of taking your bike or car, why not walk or ride a cycle? It's just not eco-friendly, but it is also a great exercise. If more people use public transport or eco-friendly methods to get around, we can all help to reduce the pollution and heat in our campus.
As you can see here, there are a lot of private vehicles parking inside the campus. These vehicles may save the time of the individual, but it pollutes the environment by producing harmful smoke into the atmosphere. Instead of using private vehicles, we can use cycles, public vehicles, or we can even walk. This not only helps to the environment, but it also makes us physically fit and healthy.
Anurag from EC. Let's talk about another important topic, minimizing food wastage. On campus, we often see people wasting food in the mess, canteens, and even during the events. Food wastage is a major problem that not only the wastage resources but also contribute the environmental damage.
Hi, I am Neha, and I totally agree with Anurag. Another way to minimize food waste is by sharing leftovers instead of throwing them away. If we have got extra food, why not share it with friends or someone in need? We could also work together to make sure our campus events have plans for managing food waste, like donating a surplus fruit.
So there you have it. From reducing plastic pollution to planting more trees and minimizing food waste. These are all steps we can take to make Nerist a greener and cleaner campus.
And let's work together to reduce pollution and make cycling or walking part of our routine.
More trees and using eco-friendly transport, we can make the campus cooler and more comfortable for everyone.
Thanks for watching, everyone. Let's do all our part to make a difference.